Here is Chapter 5, focusing on advanced infrastructure features such as AI-driven insights, Google Cloud Compute, and automated liquidity management on Songbird and Flare networks for Denarii DFi. Chapter 5, AI-driven infrastructure, Google Cloud Compute, and smart liquidity automation. 5.1 Introduction. Unlocking intelligence in DeFi. Infrastructure. Modern DeFi isn't just about smart contracts, it's about smart systems. With Flare and Songbird's evolving capabilities, DenariiDFi can tap into AI, real-time data feeds, and scalable cloud compute to build intelligent, self-optimizing financial ecosystems. 5.2 Leveraging AI for predictive yield and strategy optimization. 5.2.1 Machine learning models for yield, forecasting, use, historical LP data, volatility, and market depth to predict optimal liquidity positions. Automatically rebalance LP assets based on AI forecasts of APR impermanent loss trends. 5.2.2 AI in collateral management, dynamic loan-to-value, LTV settings based on borrower risk profiles. Risk mitigation via AI-driven liquidation predictions and insurance fault rebalancing. 5.2.3 Personalization, custom farming and lending suggestions based on a user's on-chain behavior. AI dashboards within the DenariiDFi app for yield strategy guidance. 5.3 Integration with Google Cloud Compute and BigQuery. 5.3.1 Real-time analytics and user metrics query blockchain activity, transfers, swaps, staking using Google BigQuery. Provide transparent dashboards for volume, TVL, and token performance across Xrpl, Algo, Hbar, and Flare. 5.3.2 Scalable backend operations run indexing, yield calculations, and analytics pipelines using Google Cloud Functions. Integrate AI model training and on-chain data crunching into scalable serverless environments. 5.3.3 Depth monitoring and user alerts. Trigger real-time user alerts via Telegram, Discord, or wallet notifications. When yield drops below threshold, collateral value nears liquidation, governance votes go live. 5.4 Automated liquidity rebalancing, smart vaults. 5.4.1 Flare integrated smart vaults dynamically reallocate assets across FlareX and Flare Farm for optimal return. LP tokens automatically moved between pools based on APR and volume trends. 5.4.2 Layered strategies. Tiered vaults with different risk levels. Conservative, stable LPs with low impermanent loss. Aggressive, high-yield LPs with variable tokens. 5.4.3 DAO-controlled parameters. Users vote on vault fee models, asset inclusion, and strategy formulas using Denarii governance tokens. 5.5 AI-assisted NFT evaluation and collateralization. 5.5.1 Multi-chain NFT intelligence, use computer vision and metadata AI to evaluate Denarii reworks NFTs across Xrpl, Hbar, and Algo. Assign risk scores and suggested collateralization value. 5.5.2 Real-time market comparisons, integrate NFT price feeds and trends across OpenSea, Xrpl marketplaces, and Flare NFT platforms. Automatically flag undervalued or trending NFTs for investment DAOs. 5.6 State Connector plus AI, smart triggers 5.6.1 cross-chain event awareness, Flare State Connector provides real-time monitoring of external chains, Xrpl, Algo, Hbar, combined with AI rules to trigger auto-yield strategy shifts when token volume spikes, NFT sales, increase new governance proposals, activate 5.6.2, intelligent escrows, auto-execute trades, unlock payments, or launch marketing airdrops based on data-driven chain events. 5.7 developer infrastructure with AI tooling 5.7.1, dev tools on Flare Songbird with Google Cloud, AI auto-generate contract audits using AI, code security suggestions based on GPT-style LLMs trained on Solidity, real-time developer dashboards to track smart contract metrics, user flow, and testnet deployments. 5.8 privacy-enhanced AI models, zero knowledge plus AI. 5.8.1 protect user data use, zero knowledge, ZK cryptography to allow AI to analyze trends without exposing individual wallet details. 5.8.2 Xrpl models train and deploy machine learning models whose logic can be verified on-chain, enabling secure, decentralized AI-assisted governance and lending. 5.9 summary, the future of autonomous finance with Flare and Songbird's native cross-chain tools, plus scalable AI infrastructure via Google Cloud. DenariiDFi becomes an intelligent, self-optimizing DeFi network. Yield strategies become adaptive. NFT and token utility is enriched with AI insights. Multi-chain DeFi becomes data-driven, personalized, and secure. Chapter 6: NFTs and real-world asset tokenization across Xrpl, HBRR, Algo, and Flare 6.1. Introduction: Bridging physical and digital assets. Denarii DFi is at the forefront of integrating real-world assets into the blockchain ecosystem. By tokenizing tangible assets such as art, real estate, and intellectual property, Denarii enables fractional ownership, increased liquidity, and broader access to investment opportunities. 6.2 Denarii reworks NFTs, a multi-chain artistic endeavor. Denarii reworks NFTs are unique digital representations of physical artworks, minted across Xrpl, Algorand, and Hedera networks. These NFTs serve multiple purposes. Artistic expression, showcasing digital art pieces that are authenticated and verifiable on the blockchain. Fractional ownership, allowing multiple investors to own a share of high-value art pieces. Utility integration, providing holders with access to exclusive events, governance rights, or staking rewards within the Denarii ecosystem. 6.3 Real-world asset tokenization on Xrpl. The XRP ledger, Xrpl, offers the robust platform for tokenizing real-world assets, linked in, fast settlement, and low fees. Transactions settle in 3 to 5 seconds with minimal costs. Xrpl Ledger Home, Xrpl.org, integrated decentralized exchange, DEX, facilitates immediate trading of tokenized assets. Compliance features, supports KYC AML protocols and asset control mechanisms. Denarii utilizes Xrpl to tokenize assets like real estate and art, enabling fractional ownership and global trading. DenariiDFi Net 6.4 Hedera's approach to asset tokenization. Hedera Hashgraph provides a secure and efficient environment for RWA tokenization. DenariiDFi, the Net Hedera Token Service, HTS, allows for the creation and management of both fungible and non-fungible tokens. Predictable and low fees, fixed transaction costs denominated in USD, ensuring cost effectiveness. Hedera regulatory compliance. Features like account level KYC verification and token supply management support adherence to regulations. Hedera Denarii leverages Hedera's infrastructure to tokenize assets such as intellectual property and collectibles. Hedera 6.5 Algorand's role in asset tokenization. Algorand's blockchain offers asset standardization. Algorand Standard Assets ASA enable the representation of various asset types. High performance, quick transaction finality, and scalability. Smart contract capabilities facilitates complex asset management and compliance features. Denarii utilizes Algorand to tokenize assets like music rights and gaming items, promoting broader participation and liquidity. Flare Network enhancing interoperability. Flare Network introduces advanced features for asset tokenization. State Connector enables secure and trustless interoperability between different blockchains. Time Series Oracle (FTSO) provides decentralized price feeds and data. Smart contract support allows for programmable asset management and automation. Compliance and regulatory considerations. Denarii ensures that all tokenization processes adhere to regulatory standards. KYC, AML procedures, implementing identity verification, and anti-money laundering measures. Asset control features, utilizing blockchain native tools to manage asset issuance and transfers. Legal frameworks, collaborating with legal experts to ensure compliance with international laws. Future outlook, expanding the tokenized economy. Denarii aims to broaden its tokenization efforts to include a diverse range of assets. Real estate, tokenizing property ownership for fractional investment. By leveraging the strengths of Xrpl, Hedera, Algorand, and Flare, Denarii is poised to play a significant role in the evolving landscape of asset tokenization. Chapter 7: Multi-chain DAO Governance and Global Agent Network 7. Introduction. From protocol to people, decentralized finance is not just about protocols. It's about people coordinating across borders. Denarii's vision of permissionless art commerce and global asset ownership is rooted in decentralized governance and local empowerment. This chapter explores how Flare and Songbird's infrastructure enables multi-chain DAOs and a globally distributed agent system. 7.2 DAO architecture across Xrpl, Algo, Hbar, and Flare 7.2.1 unified governance across chains. Denarii DAO operates across Xrpl, Hbar, Algo, and Flare via wrapped governance tokens. Snapshot-based voting ensures guestless, user-friendly participation. Voting weights can be combined or isolated per chain, allowing hybrid control models. 7.2.2 layered governance framework layer 1 protocol level decisions, DeFi parameters, treasury management. Layer 2 community-driven initiatives, curation, funding rounds, bounties. Layer 3 local agent governance, regional leadership, incentives, outreach. 7.3 DAO, tooling and infrastructure. 7.3.1 DAO, tools, integration. Use tools like Tally, Boardroom, or custom Flare DAO dApps. Governance workflows, proposal, quorum, vote, on-chain action. Supports multi-signature treasury and DAO-controlled token issuance. 7.3.2 Identity and reputation on chain soul-bound tokens, SBTs, represent verified community contributors or agents. Karma or reputation scores impact governance weight, funding eligibility, or visibility. 7.3.3 Secure AI augmented voting votes validated with Flare's state connector for multi-chain integrity. AI models flag bot behavior or collusion attempts in governance activity. 7.4 Global Agent Network Design. 7.4.1 Role of Denarii agents local representatives to promote Denarii prints, NFTs, and tools. Run exhibitions, deliver physical art, and onboard users to wallets and DeFi. 7.4.2 Becoming an agent apply through DAO portal with identity, region, and prior experience. Staking requirement or community vote for activation. Agents receive SBT credentials and region-specific dashboards. 7.4.3 Incentive structures agents earn commission on sales of prints or NFT, local event or installation grants, governance, rewards for region-wide activation. 7.4.4 Decentralized logistics and manufacturing collaborate with verified local print shops for production. NFT metadata links to proof of print and logistics status. Denarii DAO allocates grants to bootstrap local supply chains. 7.5 Decentralized fund allocation. 7.5.1 Regional treasury sub-DAOs. Each continent or major region receives a treasury slice, controlled by local DAO members and representatives, used for exhibitions, print subsidies, and education campaigns. 7.5.2 AI Assisted budgeting. Flare's integration with cloud AI services enables forecasting project ROI, detecting fund misuse or dormant grants, optimizing resource distribution for DAO, vote. 7.6 Cross-chain communication, and voting. 7.6.1 Message passing via Flare's layer cake DAO. Proposals and decisions can move securely between Xrpl, Algo, Hbar, and Flare. Eliminates delays, reduces friction, and maintains trustless communication. 7.6.2 Real-time voting dashboards Unified interface shows active proposals across chains. Display options per language, region, or interest area. NFTs, DeFi, governance. 7.7 Governance of Denarii reworks and DeFi Tools 7.7.1 Artist grants and licensing rights. NFT creators propose to join Denarii reworks and receive minting rights. DAO votes on acceptance, revenue splits, and marketing support. 7.7.2 Protocol level DeFi upgrades. Community proposes and approves. New LP pairings on Flare X farming reward weights. Lending caps on Flare loan 7.7.3. Token economics and inflation. DAO manages emission rates, token buybacks, or burn strategies across chains. Supports dynamic governance adaptable to market and user sentiment. 7.8 Real-world utility and cultural coordination. 7.8.1 Community-led metaverse galleries. Denarii DAO allocates virtual land and display rights to creators via NFT votes. Events, auctions, and showcases organized with global co-hosting by agents. 7.8.2 Local outreach and education agents host wallet setup workshops, RWA minting sessions, and DeFi tutorials. DAO-funded translation efforts ensure accessibility in non-English regions. 7.9 Summary, governance without borders. By fusing the democratic ideals of blockchain with a structured agent-based model, DenariiDFi creates a participatory system for both digital natives and real-world artists. Using Flare's interoperability, smart contracts, and decentralized identity systems, Denarii becomes not just a protocol, but a movement. Chapter 8: Enterprise Integration, AI, and Cloud-Connected Smart Contracts on Flare 8.1. Introduction: Bridging on-chain and off-chain worlds. As decentralized systems mature, they must communicate fluently with the traditional web, AI models, and cloud data systems. Flare's unique stack, including the state connector, FTSO, and Cloud Oracle compatibility, positions DenariiDFi to tap into real-world data, enterprise platforms, and intelligent automation. 8.2 Cloud-connected smart contracts via Flare 8.2.1 Smart Contract access to Google Cloud, AWS. Azure Flare State Connector allows smart contracts to query cloud APIs in a secure, decentralized manner. Examples: real-time currency exchange rates via Google Finance API, shipping verification from UPS, FedEx webhooks, carbon offset validation from satellite feeds. 2.2 Smart contracts as service interfaces, NFTs or dApps can offer dynamic features that adapt to external cloud inputs. Example: a dynamic art NFT that changes based on air quality in London via Azure AI or Google Earth Engine. 8.3 Enterprise data feeds and automation. 8.3.1 Real-time enterprise Oracle sync art market price data from providers like Artnet or Sotheby's. Auto-update NFT floor prices, insurance values, or lending limits. 8.3.2 Business logic automation. The Denarii smart contracts trigger actions based on external data. Mint RWA tokens only when verified by external partners. Trigger royalty payments based on real-world events, e.g. gallery sales reports. 8.4 AI-powered automation and decision engines. 8.4.1 AI integration via Cloud Functions AI models hosted on Google Cloud. OpenAI or Hugging Face can feed insights into smart contracts. Use cases. Predictive pricing of NFTs or rare assets, credit risk scoring for NFT collateralized loans, curated discovery and tagging of new artworks. 8.4.3 on-chain plus off-chain decision loops combine FTSO, on-chain data, with cloud AI, off-chain reasoning. Example, a DAO proposal auto-generates recommended voting actions based on sentiment analysis of community discussions. 8.4.3 AI-powered dynamic NFTs real-time generative artwork linked to AI engines. Denarii NFTs that evolve based on viewer interaction or world events. 8.5 API and SDK integrations for B2B, onboarding 8.5.1 RESTful APIs for enterprises, allow galleries, insurers, and logistics firms to plug directly into Denarii dApps, automate art token creation, transfer, tracking, and royalties. 8.5.12 partner SDKs and Web3 bridges, Denarii SDKs for Flutter, React, and Unity to create cross-platform apps and metaverse integrations. Plug-and-play NFT store modules for enterprise partners. 8.6 decentralized infrastructure for high availability. 8.6.1 using Flare plus Google Cloud hybrid models, Denarii frontends or dashboards hosted on Google Cloud. Backend smart contract logic on Flare with fallback to Songbird testnet. 8.6.2 secure AI agents for governance and finance. Run AI bots in secure containers. Cloud Run, Lambda, to monitor the DAO activity, transaction anomalies, market volatility alerts. 7 use case, AI and cloud for RWA verification. Example, workflow. A user uploads documentation to tokenize a fine art print. Google Cloud Vision API checks image authenticity and compares to existing registries. AI model evaluates rarity and assigns estimated market value. Flare smart contract mints, RWA token, records data, and opens fractional ownership. 8.8 Compliance and Risk Intelligence. 8.8.1 AI-driven AML KYC monitoring scan user wallet behavior across chains. Flag suspicious patterns, e.g. wash trading or Sybil attacks, using AI risk models. 8.8.2 Legal Contract Enforcement smart contracts backed by AI-read legal clauses, Ricardian contracts. Cloud AI verifies if off-chain terms were violated and flags disputes. 8.9 Summary, the intelligent and interoperable Denarii, stacked by merging Flare smart contract power with cloud APIs and AI logic. DenariiDFi builds an intelligent, scalable infrastructure for decentralized art, finance, and ownership. Enterprises can onboard without friction. Creators can build with automation. Collectors benefit from trustless, data-rich transactions. Flare enables Denarii to not only exist across chains, but to think, learn, and adapt across worlds.